Good morning and everyone. Mag-share lang ako ng 8 healthy habits para ma-maintain natin yung sharpness ng ating brain at age of 70s. Okay, so you listen carefully. I just read it now. So number one, you need to have a lifelong learning. So karamihan sa atin kapag nagkaroon na tayo ng pamilya, nakakalimutan na natin even though magbasa ng books. So we should learn more. Lifelong learning, number one. So we have a number two, we need to have a physical activities. Yung iba hindi na nag-exercise kasi ang iniisip nila, they are so tired on doing their household work every day. But then, we should have a physical exercise. Do walking, running, or even something that sweeten our body. So number three, we have a healthy eating. So karamihan, hindi na nila alam kung ano yung kinakain natin. We should eat a good and a healthy food for us to maintain the sharpness of our brain. So we have a number 4, social interaction. O hindi ko sinabi sa iyo makipagchismisan ka. That is part of social interaction. But then, hindi sa pagiging chismosa. Of course, we should do a social interaction na may matututunan tayo and mag-sharpen ang ating brain. Like, makikipagkwentuhan ka sa bata when they are going to school and then after that, then kwentuhan mo sila. So, that can sharpen your brain. Kasi mas may matututunan tayo sa mga bata. Not the people around that na mga chismis lang yung ipinibigay sa atin. That is not healthy. But social interaction is one of the habits that you should maintain in your brain for your brain to sharpen at your 70s. So we have the number 5, embracing changes. Of course, the world is changing every time. So we should embrace the changes and make those changes as part of our life na hindi naman sa dinidecline mo yung mga or ini-ignore mo yung mga negative thoughts or negative changes sa buhay mo, but because ginagawa mo siyang inspiration for you to stay healthy and sharpen your brain, right? Yes. So we have quality sleep. Number 6. We should have a quality sleep. Hindi yung 8 hours pero yung brain natin is kung saan-saan, yung utak natin ay kung saan-saan lumilipad. So, we should avoid this. Minsan kasi, before we sleep, naiisip natin yung mga negative na nangyayari sa atin, yung mga problema. No, avoid it. Mas kailangan natin ng quality sleep. Matulog ka, isipin mo yung magaganda, hindi yung mga pangit na nangyayari or yung kung ano-ano pa man iniisip mo. So, have a quality sleep. That can help your brain to sharpen. Okay, so we have a mental exercise. Mental exercise, it means you're doing a puzzle, crosswords, like this, like that. Don't stop learning. Sabi nga doon sa number 1. So we can have a mental exercise by writing, reading, like this, talking, social interaction, that one. And we have the number 8, positive outlook in life. Yes, of course, we should have a positive outlook in life. Actually, marami tayong mga pinagdadaanan sa buhay, especially I myself. Meron ako mga bagay-bagay na pinagdadaanan na minsan hindi ko nakaya, but then instead of giving up on it, iniisip ko lagi na I should do it because there is a lot of beautiful things that happen in this world. We are now suffering from something, sadness from our friends, lost of her daughter, but of course, life must be go on, sabi nga niya. And remember that these 8 habits can help you sharpen your brain and help you stay active, stay healthy, and stay perfect every day. So always learn to examine our life if we are doing these 8 healthy habits that can sharpen our brains. So ulitin ko, number 1, lifelong learning. Number 2, physical activity. Number 3, healthy eating. Number 4, social interaction. Number 5, embracing changes. Number 6, quality sleep. And number 7, mental exercise. Number 8, positive outlook in life. Always examine your life because Socrates say An unexamined life is not worth living. So that's all for today, and God bless you everyone.